Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you submit a ticket in Gcash, okay? So this is a update that they have. Click here on the transactions and you can see a bunch of history of the payoffs. You can just click and one of them, whichever you like to create a ticket with. Now, in here, you select a date and whichever time it is you'd like, you select it here, and then yeah, that's just basically it. Last 7 days, last 30 days, and then you select a date, and after that you just basically go ahead and submit the request. So once you select the date, submit the request, and it'll be up and going for a couple of hours. All right, so yeah, that's just basically it right there. Now that we've selected and we're done from here. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.